We are obsessed with big changes. We want the overnight success, the sudden body transformation, and the instant wealth. But here's the truth: giant leaps often lead to giant falls. The most successful people in the world don't rely on massive changes. They rely on tiny, boring, repetitive habits. What if I told you that being just 1% better every day could make you 37 times better by the end of the year? This is the power of micro habits. It's not about running a marathon. It's about putting on your running shoes every single morning. It's not about writing a book. It's about writing one paragraph before you go to bed. Most people fail because they try to climb the mountain in one day. But winners understand that the mountain is conquered 1 inch at a time. When the habit is so small that it's impossible to fail, you build something more powerful than motivation. You build momentum. Stop waiting for a big break. Start looking for a small win. Motivation gets you started, but habit is what keeps you going. When you master your minutes, you master your life. Don't worry about the finish line. Just focus on the next step. If you can control the next 10 minutes of your life, you can control your entire future. What is one tiny habit you are going to start today? Is it reading 1 page, doing 5 push-ups, or waking up 10 minutes earlier? Write it in the comments below. Let's hold each other accountable. Remember, big things have small beginnings. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your life transform.